If you're looking to get a hair transplant, you should know this first. In some places, doctors don't even know how to perform a hair restoration surgery because they never done it themselves.
I was getting kind of desperate. I had started to look around the area where I lived and wasn't necessarily finding what I wanted out of clinics. I went to several consultations. Most of the clinics nearby had physicians, doctors that were associated to the clinic but weren't really doing anything as far as the hair transplant work. Actually, one of the clinics, the doctor wasn't part of it at all. I mean, they told me at the end of the consultation that he's in the next room operating and I'll be in the room nearby, and if they need him, they might call him over for something. And I just didn't feel comfortable with any of that. So I had almost given up on the idea of doing a hair transplant. And I started to look online and see, were there any doctors that are actually doing all of their procedures, and I stumbled on Dr. Max.
Hi, I'm Dr. Max, and I'm a diplomat of American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. We're here at my brand new clinic, Hair by Dr. Max Restoration Center in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida. At our hair restoration center, technicians are only assisting me during surgeries, but I perform every procedure with my own hands from the beginning till the end. I enjoy spending every minute with my patients during surgeries because I want them to receive the best care possible. Hope to see you soon.